Hi, I'm Veena. Most vegetarians love paneer and it's a staple part of their diet. But when paneer is cooked in combination with spinach or palak, it becomes very nourishing and also very delicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make palak paneer Sindhi style. So to know how to make palak paneer, keep watching. So let's begin by taking a look at what goes into making palak paneer. We need 2 bunches of palak or spinach leaves washed and chopped, 250 grams of paneer cut into cubes, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 medium-sized tomatoes grated, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, ginger garlic paste, 1 small bowl as shown here, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. So let's get started. I'm now going to light the flame and place this kadai over it. And we are going to steam the onions and the palak for a couple of minutes. I'll now add the spinach. I'm going to cover this now and allow it to steam for 3 or 4 minutes. Let's check if the spinach is done. It is steamed. So now I'm going to turn off the flame. I'm going to blend this in a blender to a smooth paste and then move to the next process of making palak paneer. I've blended the steamed palak and onion in a blender. And this is how the consistency should look. If it's too thick, you may add a few drops or a few spoons of water. I'm now going to start the actual process of making palak paneer. I'm putting this kadai on a flame. And the next thing I'll do is add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm now going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow them to splutter. I'm lowering the flame a little and will now put in the ginger garlic paste. Next, the green chilies go in. I'll turn it around for a minute. And now it's time for the grated tomato to go in. I'm now cooking the tomatoes with the other masalas. Initially the tomatoes will give out a little water, but we have to keep cooking and allow the water to dry. While the tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to add the spices, dry spices, which is a little bit quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of coriander or dhania powder. The water in the tomatoes has now almost dried up and they are well cooked. So the next step is that I blend the tomatoes well with this blender, hand blender. I'm now going to add the ground spinach to the tomatoes that are being cooked. I'm going to mix it all up well. And I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 4 minutes. Let's see if it is time to add paneer. Yes, it is. So I'm now going to add the chopped paneer. And finally, salt. Just mix it all up. Now that I've put the paneer, I'm just going to stir it all well. Cover the kadai and let it cook for just 2 minutes. Our palak paneer is now ready to serve. You can serve it with hot rotis, naan, pickles, papad, whatever accompaniment you like. So if you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe to India Food Network, and we'd love to have any feedback or comments that you may like to share with us.